Hi and welcome. I'm Kevin Cray, Technical Product Development Director here at CYP Europe. Today I will be giving you a brief overview of the WebGUI interface for our AV over IP controller products. Our first in a series of videos on the SDV-CS8 and the IP-CS7, I will provide you with a quick overview of how the whole WebGUI system works. In future videos in the series, I will go into more detail about each section. So let's get started. We start with the Monitor and Control tab. This tab is always available to any user, no matter if you are logged in or not. Here we can see the individual streams the system is sending. These can mirror the video streams or be individually set. Video screen grabs are used by the system to provide visual confirmation of inputs and outputs. Switching to the System tab, we can see how it appears without being logged in. All areas are grayed out, so no system changes can be made, and none of the configuration tabs are even visible. Logging into the system, we can now see and alter any of the system information, and all the further configuration tabs appear. You can now access the system configuration options, including IP configuration for both LAN ports, interface languages, login and user management, plus advanced firmware update functionality can be performed. Next, we have the Settings tab, which provides control over the configuration of a variety of the unit's different internal systems and interfaces. These include groups and macro creation, physical control trigger macro assignment, and setting the system's clock for event scheduling. Plus, the SDVoE system provides EDID management and manual IR RS-232 command broadcasting. Onto the Transmitter tab. This shows all transmitters that have been detected by the controller. Details about each transmitter's name, IP address and video content, as well as the options to configure the network RS-232 and where available, USB. A general device settings configuration window is also provided, which allows all the device's standard elements to be configured. Our next stop as we whistle through is the Receiver tab. It has all the same elements as the Transmitter tab, and both have CYP's Great Hello function, icon-based status info and product ordering configuration. Remember that additional videos covering each section in more detail are also available if you require more information. Here we have the Scaling tab. This provides a visual drag and drop control of all receivers' scaling settings. This simple configuration allows individual or all receivers to output a preferred video timing. The Video Wall tab provides a way to configure or modify video walls using multiple receivers. Drag and drop the receivers into the video wall arrangement groups. All aspects of the video wall group can be configured here, including screen arrangement numbers. SDVoE has up to 8x8 and IP has up to 16x16 displays, as well as bezel compensation, display output resolution, aspect and source. Multiple video wall arrangements can be saved, even for the same physical video wall. Finally, for SDVoE systems, we have the Multi-View tab. This provides a way to configure or modify the multi-viewer functionality of each receiver. Simply drag and drop the required transmitter to the desired area. All aspects of the multi-viewer output can be configured here, including window number and arrangements. 27 arrangements are available in total, output resolution and window sources. So there we have it, our brief run through today of our AV over IP 1 gig and 10 gig controller hardware. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.